All right, guys, got a home tour for you here. We're in Presley Heights in Bixby, which, if you didn't know, is a suburb of Tulsa, and we're actually across the river, the Arkansas River, and then to the west just a tad, so a little bit, what's called West Bixby. Great neighborhood here. You're in a cul-de-sac, which is awesome. It's a newer construction area, so a lot of newer homes here. Some homes are not even complete yet, so pretty good if you're looking for a newer home, but this home we're going to look at is a little bit more established, so it's going to have, you know, grass, fence, all that stuff. So obviously it's got a 3-car garage here. It is a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath, over 3,000 square feet. So lots of cool stuff here. Very rustic charm. Love that very Joanna Gaines light fixture there. You have this really cute front patio space. Love that. Love this big picture window. It's also black as well, so that's a very new modern look that I think is very popular. You do have can lights out here, so let's head on in and check out this house. So right inside here you see you have these gorgeous hardwood floors, and then you have the beams with that very cool light fixture. You have the office slash kind of library right here, which is great. Love the shaker cabinets, and then check out this on the door here. A really cool accent around there. Love that. So let's head this way. Here is the living and kitchen. Love the cabinets over there with the shakers. You got this teal color, which is really cool. You got the stone fireplace there. Let's head this way. You got a snooze feature. So if you've seen some of my other videos, it just means that the laundry room and master closet are all connected to the master bedroom, which is kind of fun. So you have a built-in right there. Then here's your utility room. Good size. Turn around here to show you the master closet. Loads of space. You do even have the pull downs as well, so you can get access to those things up there, which is really fun. And before we continue, if you're new to the channel, my name is Ryan Henze. I run the Top Hat Connections real estate team, Keller Williams, serving Tulsa and the surrounding areas. So if you're looking to make a move to Oklahoma, I would love to help you make that transition, whether it's now or in the future. And of course, if you like home tours like this, as well as local Oklahoma content, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more. And let's continue with the master bathroom. So pretty sweet. Again, you have the shaker cabinets in here with that brushed black fixtures. Really good size, dual vanities, gorgeous countertops. You do have another little kind of extra closet space over there, which is pretty cool. And then there's your toilet area. You have these huge black tiles, which is nice on the floor. And then heading over here, you can see this gorgeous full tiled shower. I love the black and white. Very fun. You also have dual shower heads in there too, which is worth noting. Here is the master bedroom. Really cool. I love the beams as well. It's a great feature. So let's head on this way. This will take us back around into the living room. Shaker cabinets, huge island. You have a pot filler back there, as well as the Subway or herringbone pattern. Gas range, pantry, huge refrigerator, which is great. We'll head around the corner here. This is going to be your hall closet, pantry space, or closet, whatever you want. Here's kind of the mudroom situation leading out to the garage. Huge 3-car, like you saw from the outside. Lots of space here. This family's got kind of a home gym setup, which is great. Lots of opportunity there. Let's head this way. So just off the kitchen here, you have one of the kids' bedrooms, which is great. Good size room. We'll head across the way. So there's that bedroom, and then over here we've got the full bath. Herringbone pattern again with the Subway tiles, shaker cabinets throughout. The same countertop is throughout the house too. And then you have another bedroom here as well. So stepped outside here, we'll check out the backyard. So really spacious. Now, all of that, don't get your hopes up. It is going to be houses, so don't buy this house for the view. But it does have a great entertaining space and a huge yard. It wraps all the way around. Loads of space out here for all your family gatherings, if you have kids, whatever you want to do. You could even get a pool back here if you wanted a pool. So pretty great. I love the seating area and that rustic kind of ranch style look, which is great. So let's head back on in and we'll go upstairs. So heading upstairs here, you do have the iron railing, which is really nice. And then behind me, you'll see matching light fixture to go with the one in the foyer there. So up here, you've got a bonus room, game room, whatever you want to use it for. Here is a full bathroom. Again, shaker cabinets. Really nice. This one's a kind of a whole piece. Not a big deal though. Easy to clean for kids' bedroom or kids' bathroom. Another bedroom here. We'll head over on this side. Or wait, what is this? Oh, attic storage. Okay, you guys know how I am about this. Storage in a house is so important. I mean, it can verge on becoming a hoarder if you have too much storage, but this is perfect. Got a lot of walkout here. If I step up a little bit, you can see lots of space to put stuff over here as well. So that is a great feature. Let me know if you're still watching what your favorite things have been. Would you buy this house? I don't think I said the price. It's currently offered at $544,000 at the time of this video. You have a nice, this could almost be like an upstairs kitchen. Like you could put a mini fridge right there. But right now it looks like a kid's playroom, which is great. So pretty cool house. We'll check over here. This looks like it might be attic storage as well. Sure enough. Good amount of storage there. You could even floor that over there if you wanted to do more. Or better yet, you could make this into like a bookshelf, and then this could be like a secret room. That could be really cool. Even that room over there could be a secret room. As always, like I said, let me know what you think about this house in the comments. Be sure to like and subscribe for more home tours like this, as well as local real estate content and local content just about life in Tulsa, Oklahoma and the surrounding areas. So see you guys in the next one. Make it a great day.